channel. Today's going to be a very quick video. This is actually my first time doing this, and I just wanted to show you. If you see anything that you feel I'm doing wrong, I could be doing better, please let me know in the comments, because I'm here to learn too, as I want to get better at this. Any sounds you hear in the background will be my kids. They are running around playing, so let's just get right into it. I had an echevaria succulent that got damaged by my niece's daughter when she came over to play. So I wanted to try my hand at propagating. I think I'm doing this right, but again, it's my first time. So these are the little pieces that came off. I let them scab over, I guess is what the video says. So I let them, you know, sit up there for a couple of days. It seems like they did that. And so I'm just gonna go ahead now and plant them into, well, try to propagate them. I'm gonna use this dish. The video I watched, I can't think of his name. I don't know. I'll link it below if I remember. But anyhow, he had a clay dish that he put it in. I think it's called dew tube. I'm not sure. He had a clay lid that he put it in. But anyway, I'm going to put it into this little plastic dollar store one. I hope that'll be fine. And so these are the pieces I have. And then another one, was a different succulent. I'm not sure if it was an echevaria or not. But it lost a couple leaves when I repotted it. So I figure, why not take a chance and see if I can get these to propagate as well. And then this is just a little, this was the center of it, but it shriveled up a lot. I was going to try to do a stem propagation of this, but I don't know. It looks like it may be too far gone, like it won't work. So I'm just going to pull that end off like that. I just pulled that off there. And then I'm going to place it into the dirt. So let's go ahead. Let's have some dirt right here. Just gonna grab up some dirt and pour it into there. Like I said, I hope I am doing this right. This is how I gathered that everybody is doing it, and I guess it's supposed to be the easiest way. So I have the dirt in there, and then he used a circular pattern. So I'm going to do that, and he said to put them stem down. So I'm just going to lay them down like that, in there. And then from my understanding, you just want to mist them.
Forget about them.
Just mist them with a little water. Like I said, I don't know that all of these are going to take, and that's okay. It's my first time doing it, but I wanted to try because I really like that plant, and I didn't want it to just go to waste. And it had sprouted, like, I don't know what you call it, like one of those arms, and it had like a little flower on the end. So I was super bummed when it got messed up. But anyhow, here we are with this. And then maybe I should move these over like this so that I could put the other two big ones on that side. Like I said, this is my first time, so I'm hoping that it works. And then I'll just keep you guys updated on it, because he also said that it takes about a month for them to do anything. So we shall see. Put that one, and I will squeeze this guy right here. Alright, so there you have it. I am going to attempt to propagate these succulent leaves, and I will keep you all updated on how they turn out, if I get any baby sprouts, and how it all goes. Thanks for watching.